How to file an extension on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. An extension gives you until October 15 to file your tax return, but remember it does not extend the deadline to pay any taxes owed. Those are still due by April 15. If you want to file a tax extension, then the first step is to log into your TurboTax account. If you haven't started your tax return, you can still file for an extension without completing your return. Now, on the TurboTax homepage, you want to click on this search icon. Now type for extension, select jump to link, answer yes on applying for an extension screen and then select continue. Follow the instructions to prepare, print and mail your 4868 form. This includes providing your information such as name, social security number and address. Estimate your total tax liability for the year, then submit your extension. You can choose to do so electronically via TurboTax or print and mail Form 4868. Once your extension is submitted, TurboTax will confirm the submission or guide you to check its status. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.